All right, today's topic, your coverage is going to be order of operations, division, multiplication, that kind of stuff, and a few questions on word problems. Not that difficult, it's manageable. What I will do is try to impart my knowledge to you. There are a few things, I call it shortcuts. I will teach you those, all right? Okay, you ready? Good. Okay. The first question is rather easy. Express 21.94 kilograms into grams, right? I'll just warm up with you first. 1 kg equals 1,000 grams, right?
Yes.
All right. So what's the answer?
21 21,940 grams.
Okay, 21940, is it?
Yeah.
All right, well done. The answer is correct. Okay. The way to do it is 21.94 times 1,000, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's see whether I can use a different color here. How many zeros are there?
3.
1, 2, 3. So you just move 1, 2, 3, and then you put a 0 after that. So when you do that, you get 21940. You saw that?
Yes.
Okay, one of the easiest method, all right? So you can use this. Of course, the first question is rather easy, but it's a good start, okay? All right, let's move on to the next one. We try to finish all the slides because it's a one-to-one session. The questions are pretty good. Hopefully, all right? If you are unable to do all the questions, we'll skip a few, but we'll have all the difficult ones in mind, okay? All right, and for the last 15 minutes or so, you will get to do code questions, quiz and all those. So just to make it a bit entertaining, all right? Okay, go. That's correct. You got the first one spot on. Okay, what about this? Come on.
A is 9,200.
So you can say it out in 9200, something like that. I know it's 9,200, which is correct but you have to like write it down like this or just say it out 9200. All right? Clear? All right, what about the next one?
91091. No, sorry. 91 plus 91000 plus 9100.
Correct. So what's your answer?
100100.
100, 100, 100, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So 100, 100. You got that?
Yes.
All right, good. Well done. How about the next one?
It's 5 million plus 5,000, which is
5 million. How many zeros are there in 5 millions?
6.
Okay, well done. Not bad. Can you see my scribblings on board on the screen?
Yes.
Well done. So, I mean, that's what I will do if I were you. I don't be overconfident. I'll take extra 20 seconds to work this out. All right. So it's going to be 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 5, right?
Yes.
So your answer is going to be 5, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0. 5 million and 5,000, right?
Yes.
All right. What's the next one?
6 million and 6045000.
6045. Good. Let's see. Yes, there you go. Bingo. So you got it right. 6045000. Easy, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Of course, it's easy, but let's move on. Easy as well. But how do you actually? You got a big number, and you're going to have that divided by 20. So how are you going to do it fast? You can give me answer, no problem. Just take your time. Don't have to rush. Rushing you.
One zero five zero zero.
Oh, 10500, is it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how did you work that out?
I did 210,000 divide by 10 and divide by 2.
Okay. Can you see what I've done on the screen? You
Yes.
saw my scribbling? This is another method. You can deploy this if you want to. I'm going to cancel the zero. Look, done, right?
Yeah.
And then 210 divided by 2. What do you get?
105.
105. So you're left with 10500, right?
Yes.
You can also do it this way, even faster. All right. You try the next one. B. All right. B is 369,000 divided by 300, right?
Yes.
You can use my method or your method. The choice is yours.
Okay.
But you can be more uh, if you're willing to accept it, open to new methods, open your mind, have an open mind. I think you will learn much more. Okay, so it's good to have a few methods. Yep.
1230.
1230. Wow, you're right. But let's see whether you're right. Okay, I'm going to use the way I do it. I cancel 10. I cancel 10. Right? I cancel another one. I cancel another one. Then I got 369 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is
2.
2. 9 divided by 3 is
3.
So I'm left with 1, 2, 3.
0.
Yes. Did you get that?
Yes.
Yeah. And the first one was, okay, I'll give you the answer for the first one, which is this. Okay, you did it. Sorry. It should be the B. It's not here. It should be that one. Sorry, mistake. It should be 1, 2, 3, 0. Right? Okay, try the next one.
124.
What's the answer?
124.
Wow, so fast. How did you get that?
I canceled the zeros and I did
Oh.
288 divided by 2.
So you're using my method now?
Yeah.
Okay, well done. The answer is correct. Spot on. And you could do the same thing for the next one. What's your answer?
104.
Sure, right? Let's see. Yeah, I think you're right. Just take 312 divided by 3. Yeah, looks all right. How many zeros? Yeah, you are spot on. Okay, 104 is correct. Okay, well done. Excellent. Easy. Okay, we have, of course, these are simple stuff, but it's good exposure for you. You learn and hopefully you get better. All right, next. Wow. We are dealing with factors here, common factors. Common here means same, all right? Both numbers should have similar factors. So tell me what. Firstly, the best thing you need to do is, the first thing you can do is just write down the factors. 12, okay, 12 is going to be 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4, right?
Yes.
And 26 is going to be 1 times 26, 2 times 13. So it is a bit off. So they're asking for common factors in ascending order. You know what's the meaning of ascending, right? From small to big. Yeah. So what are the factors here? Factors.
1 and 2.
Wow. Not bad. See whether you're right. Brilliant. There you go. Not that bad. Wow. Good luck.
10346. 10346.
Wow, not bad. It was. You're spot on. Easy, right? Yeah. How about this? The largest odd and the smallest even.
875431.
Okay, but if you read the question, they're asking for the difference, right? Between the largest odd and the smallest even number, right? Yeah. So you first and foremost, you've got to find the largest odd number. So you're going to start with largest, right? So 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 1. Odd number, right? Is this the largest? Did you get this?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the smallest? You tell me, what's the smallest even number? You're going to start with 1,
0, 0.
1, 3.
1, it's 1 0.
There's no zero there.
I think just now there was a 0.
You got the answer, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your answer?
Is it the smallest even number from the previous question?
Yes. No, from the same. Question 6 wants you to find the largest odd number using the numbers given. And likewise, you have to find the smallest even number using the same numbers. So the odd number, I've already given that to you. So the smallest even number, you're going to start with 1, 3, 4.
1, 3, 4,
4, then 5,
7, 8.
7.
7, 8.
Okay, what's the difference between these two? Take your time, don't rush.
Seven 4 0 8 5 3.
Right. There you go. Beautiful. All right. So I noticed that you have to read the question carefully, read it twice so that you comprehend it better. So in this case, you're going to use the numbers to find the largest odd number. Use the same numbers to find the smallest even number and then the difference, right? So you got it right. Bingo. Well done. Okay, next. Wow. Okay. When you do this, remember, you can use the application of BODMAS. Nowadays, schools do not really emphasize on this, but you can still use this. You know what B stands for, right? Brackets.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just go through. B stands for brackets. O stands for off, which simply means times. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And of course, the last one stands for subtraction, right?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to try doing the first question, and I want to see whether you're getting you get the right answer. Okay, you try it first.
Okay. $51.
I believe you're right. Okay. Your school could have taught you this way. They say move from left to right.
Yes.
Right? Yep. It's the same thing, but even if you do that, you still need to look into the operation because you must give more attention to division and multiplication first. All right. You have to take care of them